Alright, so we have 3x plus 8 equal 23. So we're gonna subtract opposite of this would be subtract 8. I'll do it for both sides. 23 take away 8, that should give us 15, and then we divide both sides by 3. Which is straightforward. This one is 5. But this one, same thing basically, except we only have minus 8 here. So we add 8 to both sides. 28 plus 24 plus 8 will give us 32, and then we divide by 4. So x is equal to 8. Alright, so we'll do a quick recap of what we did last week. Let's try this one now, alright? What I just showed you. To remove the bracket. We're gonna go more into that this week. Try that one, guys. So the bracket means to multiply, alright? So we have 3 times x, which is 3x. 3 times minus 5, a positive times a negative, negative. And then, of course, we do the opposite of minus 15, which is to add 15 to both sides. 30 plus 15, that's 45, and then we divide by 3. Which would give us 15. Makes sense, right? Because 3 bracket 15 minus 5. Let's see what that equal to. 15 minus 5 give you 10. 3 times 10 give you the 30. 30 equal 30. So both sides are equal. Alright.
Could you please repeat the steps?
You expand the bracket by multiplying both terms by 3. 3 times x and 3 times 5. And then you solve the linear equation. So 3 times x, 3x, 3 times negative 5, negative 15. Take the opposite of negative 15, which is to add 15 to both sides, and then we divide by 3. This is just to check if our answer is correct. Expand the bracket, so 6 times 2, that's 12, so that's 12x. 6 times negative 4, that's minus 24, and that must equal 48. So the fact that you have minus 24, we're going to add, which is to take the opposite. So we add 24 to both sides, which will give us 72, and then we divide by 12. 12 into 72 goes 6 times. So our answer is 6. We can double check. 2 6 is 12. All right. 12 minus that 4 will give us 8. 6 times 8, 48. 48 is equal to 48. That's the definition of an equation. Both sides must be equal. Alright? All right, let's get into today's real lesson. We did this last week. We just, refresh our memory. So this is what we're going to be doing. What happened when we have the like terms on either side, right? I'll show you an example. What I mean. So let's say we have 4x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 12. We need to group the like terms, but here what the condition is. This is on the left hand. This is on the right hand, and this is on the left. So we need to bring them together. We're gonna work with the x on the left. So what we're gonna do, we have to take the inverse, and this is the error that students always make. They don't take the inverse. You have to take it. So because it's positive 2, we're gonna subtract 2. So this becomes 4x minus 2x. I'm just gonna put by the plus 8. The 12 is here already, so we just carry down the 12, right? But we still need to get this plus 8 with the 12. So what we do, we take the inverse and we minus 8. Anything I do to one side, do to the next side. So when we write, we have 4x minus 2x equal to 12 minus 8. Let's do the maths now because we have all the like terms. We have the x's by itself. 4 take away 2, that's 2. 12 minus 8, that's 4. So all we have to do now, 2 times what give you 4? So we divide by 2. So x is equal to 2. Now we can double check. Let's put in 2 wherever x is and see if we get the same thing. Both sides must be equal, right? If it's an equation. 4 2 is 8. 2 2 is 4. 8 plus 8, 16. 4 plus that, 16. By definition, the left-hand side must equal to the right-hand side. Alright, so make a note of it, please. And then you can go forward. So we need to group, right? So we have 7x minus 4 equal 3x plus 12. So group with like terms again. We need to get rid of this 4x from that side. It's on the right. We need it on the left. Again, we take the opposite or the inverse. So we'll go minus 3x from this side. Remember, anything I do to one side, you have to do to the next side. Alright? And of course, we have the minus 4 equal 12. So now we have minus 4. So again, we have to take the opposite of the minus 4, which is 2 plus 4. So easy it be? We have all of the x's them on one side, and we have the numbers on the next side. Now we can compute, right? So 7x minus 3x, that is going to give us 4x. 12 plus that, 16. And then, of course, we take the opposite, which is to divide by 4. Anything we do to one side, do to the next side. So x is equal to 4. Let's double check, see if we get the correct answer. 2 of them must equal, right? Let's try that. So we have 7 times, because we know x are 4. 7 fours minus 4 will that equal to 3 times 4 plus the 12. All right. 7 fours, 28 minus 4. 3 fours, 12 plus 12. 28 minus 4 gives us 24. 12 plus 12, 24. If I get 23 and 24, it's wrong. Both of them must equal. Alright? So by definition, the left hand side must equal to the right hand side. Your time now, guys. Make a note of this and we could try 1. So we have 5x minus 12 equal 2x plus 20, right? So these are the like terms. So we're going to get rid of this by subtracting. Since it's positive, subtract 2x from both sides. So anything added to one side, you have to do it to the next side. So guess what, guys? We still have the minus 12 over here. We need to get rid of this minus 12 because we want x by itself. So because this is minus, we plus 12. Anything we do to one side, we do to the next side. Let's solve now. 5 take away 2, give you 3. 20 plus 12, 32. And then we divide by 3. Don't leave it like this. Just say 3 into 32 goes 10 times, and then remainder 2. Or 10.6666. It's a recurring decimal, 2/3, right? Make a note of that, and we're going to try another. Alright, so we have 6x. We need to group it with the 2x, right? So we minus 2x from both sides. So we open it, Daryl, alright? So we have minus 8 here. The 15 would be the same, right? So now we need to get rid of the minus 8 by taking the opposite of the minus 8, which is to plus 8. And of course, we are going to subtract now. So 6 take away 2 will give us 4. 15 plus 8, 23, right? And then we divide by 4. Since we are multiplying with the opposite. So that's 5 3/4. Or many persons gave decimal. Good job. It's the same thing, right? So good job. Now, we can see if we can do 2 more before we done class, because the time I wind down. Let's make one more a bit more complex and see how well we do it. Alright? Try that one, guys. I think you guys are doing well though. So big up for that. Right, so we need to group the like terms. We have minus 4x and we have 2x. So we're gonna take the opposite of the 2x, which is to minus 2x. Anything we do to one side, we're going to do to the next side. Bear in mind, this is minus 4, right? So you put the minus 4x plus 3, and this equal minus 12. Now, this is plus 3. We need to get rid of the plus 3 by subtracting 3. So it comes down now. This always seems to get students. Both of them negative, so we add. Keep the negative sign. Same thing with this, both negative, we add. So all we have to do now, divide by minus 6. Final answer, 2.5. Or 2.5. So when both are the same, we add them. When both are the same, we add them. Let's see if this I will do one more and we can get some well-deserved rest. All right. Let's test your skill, guys. The last one. Have fun. 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 5. Find the value of x. Alright, so basically we know we have to expand the brackets, right? So 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 5, 10. And then everything come back to normal now. Regular linear equation. So minus 2x from both sides. Now this is minus 10. We need to get rid of this positive 10 by subtracting. So 3 take away 2 is 1x, or just x by itself. Both of them negative, we add them. Alright, so take care till next week, guys. See you soon, alright? Take care. Enjoy the rest of your holiday. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'll see you guys soon, alright?
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, take care. Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care. See you soon, alright?